Hey guys, I have another goodie box to share, and this is a company that sends you free products to try, and then they do ask for you to give some feedback, write some reviews on the products. It's just a great way to get to try and sample new products for free and then share some of your opinions, and I will put their information down in the info box. And honestly, it's been like a huge range of stuff, like anything from beauty products to food and snacks to like vitamin supplements. It's just lots and lots of stuff. So this big item, the first thing I see is Chipotle mayonnaise. And that actually is really intriguing. I think that sounds really good. I really like the Chipotle flavor. So this is a good thing to have on hand to put on sandwiches or burgers or just really anything. You know, I wonder, it might even be good just as like a dipping sauce, like for fries or for veggie sticks or whatever. That might be something that's good. And that looks like it's full size. And then this is, what is this? Herb Guru Vibrant Vitality Herbal Tea. Interesting. Guess it's just serve hot or cold. I guess it's just an herbal tea in a can. At the top it says coconut, red bean, cranberry, pineapple, orange peel. Sounds like it could be kind of tasty. And this is a bedtime ritual, sleep. Looks like it's at bedtime, remove stopper and carefully tip a vial to release a drop onto the corner of your pillowcase. So it's one of those scents. Oh, it contains lavender. Lavender is supposed to be really good for sleep. It's like a scent to help you be in a restful mood and to sleep at night. It's just a sample size. And then this, ooh yum, this is an all-natural seafood rub. Lemon, pepper, and herb. I love this sort of stuff. I love all kinds of seasonings and spices that you can just grab something from the store, salmon or whatever, and if you have this, you can just like throw that on, and it's just such an easy, quick dinner. And you know, it's a healthy way to add flavor to the dish. So that's great. And this is NeuroGum for energy, clarity, and focus. Enlighten mint. Oh, it has green tea, caffeine, and brain-activating B vitamins to give you focus, clarity, and lasting energy. So it's kind of like a gum and a supplement. That's pretty cool. I've never seen a product like that before. Here's another item. Blazing Buffalo Nana Chips. Ooh, I've never seen that flavor before in a banana chip. I wonder what that's like. Buffalo banana chips. I do like banana chips and I do like buffalo flavor. I'm not sure about the two of them together, so I'll have to tentatively try. Let's see. This is, ooh, margarita mix. So all you have to do is just take this packet and you mix it with tequila and water and ice, and you have a margarita. Wow, that is a really, really convenient and easy way to make a margarita. That's awesome. Oh, and here's some more tea. It looks like it's a couple of teas, and it also comes with some coupons for the tea. Some organic India ancient herbs tea. And then, ooh, mascara. Most rich mascara. Get 20% off with your $60 order with code GOOD20. So it also has a coupon, so that if you like the mascara, you can grab yourself some more. I haven't heard of this brand before. I can always use more mascara though. And then this is immune support. There's a lot of like kind of herbs and teas and stuff like that in here. So Herbalife immune support. Oh, and this is for the Chipotle mayo. There's a 30% off deal if you use coupon code GoodieBox. So that's pretty awesome that you get to try these products, and then if you like them, they include a little coupon in there so you can purchase more at a discount. So that was the latest goodie box. Let me know if you guys have gotten anything good from goodie box lately, and like I mentioned, I will put their information down below if you guys want to sign up to get your own samples and try a goodie box. Thanks for watching. Bye.